In 2001, the last textile mill in Uptown Columbus closed, marking a low point for the area. In response, Uptown devised an audacious plan to reclaim, restore, and repurpose natural water flows to the Chattahoochee River and introduce whitewater rafting. Uptown raised $26.3 million, hired engineers to design the whitewater course, and gained approval from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. A decade later, the waterway is a vibrant hub for outdoor recreation, including ziplines, playgrounds, splash pads, and expanded bike paths. In 2023, Uptown was chosen to host the Freestyle Kayak World Championships, drawing international attention.